What I wish I knew at 13? Your stomach will betray you when you least expect it, especially during pop quizzes. So there I am, trying to focus on algebra, when suddenly, grumble, my stomach sounds like a lawnmower starting up. Everyone stops, even the teacher. Did a bear sneak in? Nope, just me, wishing I'd eaten breakfast. I try the classic cover-up cough. No luck. My best friend is giggling. The kid next to me? He's looking at me like I just dropped a beat. The teacher says, "Was that your stomach?" And I'm like, maybe? Whole class is snickering. Note to self, always eat a snack before class, or just embrace your inner sound effects machine. So, next time your stomach puts on a show, just remember, at least you gave everyone something to laugh about. Stay hungry, my friends.